Hi guys, my name is Mike and you're watching this... What? I thought we was doing the Disney unboxing. It's arrived today. Really? Okay, in that case, give it to me. Clumsy fool, I'm gonna have to see if that's not broken now. You know what, just roll the intro. Okay guys, sorry about that. As you can see, today is going to be a different type of video. We have the new, wait for it, MacBook Air in the M4. And I've just realised the box is upside down. Let's flip it over. Let's try that again. The MacBook Air M4 that recently got released. So let's unbox it and set it up. Okay guys, as you can see on the front of the box, we've got a side profile of the MacBook Air itself. I'm just going to flip this over and we can quickly tell you the specs. And just so you know, I'm not a tech reviewer of any kind, so if you're looking for anything detailed, that's not going to happen. So we have the M4 chip, 16GB of memory, which coincidentally got upgraded towards the end of the lifespan of the M3 MacBook Air, as well as 512GB of storage. So let's get into it. There's one. There's the second. And I got this machine to help with my editing on this to hopefully improve the quality of my videos going forward. Just going to flip this back over. And let's do the review. And just so you know, I did get it in sky blue, and I kind of wish I got it in a different colour, such as starlight, because I've noticed that everybody is getting sky blue, including all the big tech reviewers. No names mentioned, obviously, because some of them are more annoying than others, but never mind. And some have said this looks silverish in some light, and I can't really tell with the paper still on. And another thing that I don't see other people using is actually using this flap to actually lift it out. Most people just tip the thing out, which I think is stupid. So let's just pop that there for 1 minute. We get the braided MagSafe cable, which frees up the two USB-C ports which are on this machine, just like the previous model. And we've got some paperwork here, and I know there's no Apple stickers because I have looked at more than one unboxing video, so we're not even going to bother with this. And we've got a 35-watt dual, what's the word? Power adapter, that's it. Just going to pop this to one side and we're going to get to the machine itself. Just going to quickly feel the weight of it, and that's, yeah, it's got some weight to it. I don't think it's as much as the MacBook Pro, but having said that, I haven't used a Mac in ages. For all the videos that you've been seeing edited, they've all been edited on an iPad Air. Wow, that's bluer than I thought. Maybe it's my lighting in here, but yeah. flip that over. Now, yes, in my opinion, at least for, as I say, the room light, that where I'm looking at it, that is definitely blue. And I'm just checking to see how much of a fingerprint magnet it is. And I don't see it picking up any at all. Because as you know, with the midnight colour, that just attracts fingerprints very easily, even with the new coating that they apparently are using. But yeah, gonna have a quick look around. So on this side we've got a headphone jack. Now, because I've been using an iPad, I haven't seen a headphone jack in years, to be quite frank. And on this side we have the MagSafe, as well as 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Anyway, let's start up the setup process. And I haven't heard that sound in ages either. Let's just move this bit of paper out of the way. And see how much battery that it's doing. Let's see what we got. English. Based in United Kingdom, continue. Do we need accessibility? Not now. And I'll be right back while I do the Wi-Fi. Okay guys, so we're back after the initial software update. So data and privacy, continue. Migration assistant, not now. Okay, I'll be back after signing into the Apple ID. Okay guys, we are back and we're on to the terms and conditions. Nobody reads this though. Let's quickly scroll through them. Oh, hang on, I've just seen this button where it says I've read and what have you. Told you I haven't used a Mac in a while. That was just useless scrolling. Agree. Okay guys, now we're up to setting up iCloud. I've just finished signing in and what have you, so shouldn't be taking more than a couple of minutes. While this is finishing off, did you guys decide to upgrade your Mac or get a new one for the first time? And if so, I'm curious to know what colour you got. Because I know Midnight's quite popular, so I'm told, despite the fingerprints. And I've also heard a lot of people are upset that Space Grey got discontinued. Now, personally, I would never have got that anyway, because I don't like really dark colours, but that's just me. Even though, let's be honest, Space Grey wasn't that dark anyway, but you know what I mean. At least not in comparison to, what's on the MacBook Pro? Space Black, that's the word. Okay, what do we want? Blah blah. Apple Intelligence, is it? I'm only joking, I know some people like it and some people don't. Continue. Can't remember what File Vault actually is. Told you, not a tech reviewer in the slightest. File Vault reviews your secure data. Let's just have that turned off for now. Continue. Touch ID. Shouldn't we have Face ID by now? Continue. Continue with that. Okay guys, it says welcome to Mac. Is this a new screen? You guys will have to let me know, because in the past I've never seen this which says welcome to Mac and then hit continue. Is this a macOS Sierra feature, or did it come out after High Sierra, because that's the last version that I personally used? So I don't know, you'll have to let me know. Continue. Image creation, no, go away Apple Intelligence, it's already annoying me. Click the wallpaper to show your desktop items and blah blah blah. Okay, what have we got? Apple, about this Mac. Right, and I think that's it for the initial setup. And I'm fully aware that there's like new features for macOS Sierra, which I'm going to have to work out for myself, as well as some that are from previous versions, but we'll have to see. And I've heard that the wallpaper does actually move when you're in sleep standby mode, so I'm just going to test that now by putting it into sleep mode. Oh, it does move. That's cool. That logged me in pretty much straight away. I think it did. Try that one more time. Sleep. Interesting. That's why is there no password test? I don't understand that. Because usually when you're putting it in, at least in the past, but I'm sure it should be now, when you turn off the thing into sleep, it shouldn't immediately take you back to the desktop. I don't understand that. I'm going to look into the settings later and see what the issue is, if there's an issue. But yeah, I've never seen that before. Anyway, I'm going to have to download some apps such as Final Cut. I also heard there's a new version of that as well, Final Cut 11, which came out, I believe, what was it, towards the end of last year? No, I'm not sure. But either way, I know it's version 11. So, yeah, let me know what you think of this boxing, and I'll see you in the next one. And of course, if you're looking for something more in depth, I advise you to watch that instead. I'll see you in the next one.